This is an older video, but when I saw it, I knew I had to share it with you. I can't believe this guy was even a cop. Let's watch it.
All the way down. I can't hear you. You got to roll all the way down. You can't hear me? Roll it all the way down. I can hear you. Roll it all the way down. For what? Oh, what? There's a roll. Is this one open? Huh? Yeah, what are you doing? Get out. For what? Out. Now. For what? Out. Hey, am I under arrest? Get out. Am I under arrest? No. Out. I'm going to pull you if you don't get out. Sorry, me a second. Get out. You really want to get tased right here in the middle of your car? Get your ass out now. I haven't done anything, officer. Get your ass out. I haven't done anything, officer. What? Am I under arrest? Yeah. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Come out of the car. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? Give me your hand. You're under arrest. For what? Yeah. For what? Get your ass out of the car. All right, fine. Fuck it. Just get out. Out? What? Out right now. Out of the car. Out of the car. Okay. You don't sit up? Huh? You don't sit up? Bryce. Better sit up. I don't play games. Sit up. You just gonna lay there on your side? Yes? Huh? That's fine. You ready to sit up now? I've been tased a dozen times. Doesn't act like that. 115 plus 1. Last name is Masters, Masters. First is Bryce, Brytt. Little E Edwards, white male, 6597, 060597. You don't sit up? He doesn't want to sit up, so I figure I'm not going to make him until ambulance gets here. No, I pushed him on the car. I pulled him over because he ducked me as soon as I got behind him. Went in the gas station, has a warrant on the plate. I go to the window, I tell him to roll it down. He won't roll it down. So I go to the driver's side, tell him to open the door. He won't open the door. The door opens. Tell him to get out. He won't get out. For support and everything, tell him get out. You're under arrest. Doesn't get out, so I tell him I want to tase him. Doesn't get out, so I tase him. Because he starts fighting in the car. He doesn't want to get out, starts shaking. So rather than fighting him in his own car, man, I just walked him over here and he's like, no, I've asked him several times to sit up and I went to move him and he just does this. He initially nodded yes, he did not want to get up. Hey, we're going to turn you up over on your, here, sit up. I want to wait for a second person to. We'll sit him up. Well, it didn't make it an emergency. It is. I think I did roll in there. No, he started fighting me in his car, so I told him I was going to tase him rather than fight in his car. So he kept doing it, so I had to save him. Hey, get your camera out, please. Wake up, guy. He was nodding and responding earlier. He didn't want to sit up. Wake up, guy. Up in our jail just a couple days ago for possession. Yo, his car reeks of weed. Yeah. Do you mind inventorying it? It stinks bad in there. He doesn't want to sit up, so I figure I'm not going to make him until ambulance gets here.
Freedom?
You would. Yeah.
Where you fall and hit his chin? I only just getting in the air, man. Here, he's blue. I didn't touch it.
You want to?
Well,
See if we can get a move right?
it's your guy, but
Alex is looking to try to get. He's turning blue on it, it looks like.
yeah, he's turning blue.
You breathing it on?
I don't think so.
Oh, wow, guys. Hey, get fired right, would you? Yeah.
I think
Fire
that's
around.
now they said.
Got fired around? Yeah. Emergency. Make sure that once we need that fire here. Oh, pull it. Take pulse. Or it starts. Phone me down. Shit. Did you just pull it down? Yeah, just pulling Tracy. Tiny little barb. Okay. You want to start CPR?
Yep.
Fire, right, guys? I'm gonna. We're gonna need lab out here.
Was he talking after you tased him?
Yeah, he gave me a head knob. I told him to sit up, and he shook his head. So then I left him laying there on his side. Grabbing this blue pass. Oh, we did. Okay. We did. Outside. Cat. Is this what you want? No, I'm sorry, man. Right here. This one. The non-rebreather. No, pull that one. This one right here. Yeah. I'll just that. That one right there. No, the one underneath it. Yep, that. Big one. Talking to you after the tase? Yes, he nodded. He wasn't talking, but he nodded.
You can leave, bro.
You just keep
Left
going.
lead, right lead.
I'll get it.
Yeah.
Just keep going. Okay. Hold on. Hey, Brandon. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hey, pupils is this when you need a knife. What do you take? Pupils are at a 5, 3, 6. Yeah. Any drug use or anything? Marijuana. Yeah, I don't know. His drug use in our car is full of it right now.
I'm shocking and beat them.
All right.
Still close or not?
I don't know. I just melted it as far as I got.
Freaking stuff.
What's that?
I'm gonna hold off on it. Maybe start to last get through.
Okay.
Start to stuff.
360, right? Clear. Nope. Shotgun. So long, but it's just make sure there's something in the car. We get it out of the car for. There is. We got a while with that. Once I showed you this, once I get in. How long is it? brought him out because he stood up. He was walking through the hay. I got you. He stood up and walked through the hay and came around the corner. He him down the ground like he was supposed to. He stopped what? He stopped him. And then I cuffed him. And then I got him up. I pulled him shit up. They're going to lay there in that spot. You're not yet.
I want to know.
Why don't you step over there and calm down?
Okay, some video.
Why don't you step over there and calm down?
Go with that.
You want to go, bro? Can I go with you? I know you love it. Well, then we love it.
Right there. Oh, that's it. You love it.
Step back.
You're fine. You're doing fine. You're doing fine. Do not let out his time.
Hey, can you? Say if I move it hard, see if something you get like that. Yeah, working. I believe.
It doesn't even work, you asshole!
This is some of the video taken on a neighbor's cell phone. It's after the tasing and shows what some witnesses say was a calloused attitude.
The cop was just kind of standing over him like it was a deer or something, like it was his trophy. He was just standing on, he had his foot on top of Bryce and he was just calling something in.
Right after the tasing, witnesses tell us Bryce was unconscious when the officer dragged him to a driveway and threw him to the ground.
He didn't just set him down. He hit with a thud. I feel like he used excessive force just because he could. He treated Bryce like he was a known serial killer, like just the way he was acting about the whole situation. It was messed up.
You tased his son and sent him to the hospital doing CPR. Tell me what the fuck's going on. I'm going to tell you something. I've been on 18 years, dude. I ain't a fucking rookie. I know this shit, all right? I've been a narcotics officer. I've done all this. Just told you, I'm serious. This is bullshit. Well, you know, he's 17 years old. Okay. He's a senior in high school. We gotta do what we gotta do. Do what? What do you think? We gotta say Yankee Valley Park because he wouldn't roll the window down because it won't go down?
Now, this cop was eventually arrested, indicted federally, sentenced to 4 years in jail, and the 17-year-old was awarded $6.5 million. That's incredible, and he probably deserved every cent of it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.